Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to put the Pythagorean theorem into the calculator. The first thing you want to do is start with the square root. Then we have our first leg was 7. We're going to square it, then add our second leg squared. So addition's here, the squaring's here. And you want to make sure when you type it in that everything is underneath that radical. So the square root is covering the 7 squared and the 9 squared to give us this answer of 11.401 and all those numbers afterwards, but we really only need the first 2 decimal places or to the hundredths value. Okay, so all you do is you plug in each leg, square each leg, make sure it's addition in between, and make sure the square root goes all the way over. If you type it outside of the square root, it's not going to give you the correct answer. So if this is the wrong way, do not type in 7 squared and then add 9 squared. This will not give you the right answer. If you guys see that, that gives us 88. That is completely wrong, actually. So do not make it where the square root does not go all the way over. So if you make that mistake, back up and make sure, see how the cursor's up there with the 2? I'm going to push it out and then do plus 9, the squared's here. And then that's our new value. Make sure you press enter after every line to get your full value.